Hey, welcome back to the channel, guys. You know, I got some, boy, sun's bright, man. I've got some boneless, skinless chicken breasts inside, waiting for me to season up. We're gonna get them over here on the Weber Kettle, but we're not gonna grill them off. These are a little bit larger chicken breasts, and I find that just grilling them off kind of tends to dry them out. So I'm gonna bake them. We're gonna do baked chicken breast on the Weber Kettle. Let's get going. Alright guys, I'm just got a little olive oil here. I'm just going to put a light coat, mostly as a binder. And I'm going to come in here behind that with just some herbaceous hen from Grillaholics. I love this stuff on chicken. Bottle doesn't seem to want to pour very good, so we're going to get it on there. That's all we're putting on this, guys. Guys, I'll have a link below in the video description for this Grillaholics and where I get it. I am an affiliate, so if you do make the purchase, it does help the channel. Flip these over and repeat the process. I'm going to finish this up and let them rest right here. Once it comes up to temp, we'll get these on the grill. I think we are good to go here. Typical 2-zone fire. Great. Let's bring this thing up to temp. Alright guys, let's get this show on the road. I'm going to come in here. I'm going to cook this pretty much all, or it's all going to be indirect on this cook. Note that I'm putting the fatter end of the chicken closer to the fire. That's to hopefully prevent the back side of that from drying out. Alright guys, I want a little smoke on this chicken, but I don't want a lot. I'm coming in with just one piece of apple wood. Right there. Alright guys, I got this thing running about 375 degrees. I expect the temperature to come down a little bit since I put the meat on, but I'm good with those temps, and I'll check back in about 15 minutes or so and see where we are. It's that time of the year where we're going to lose some daylight. I'm going to get these turned over. And I got to start watching this from this point on. Even though we're not there, I can tell just by the feel of it. I don't want this to go over 160. Done temp on chicken breast are 165, but I need to pull this a little bit before 165. So that we can just let that override of the temps come on up. I'll check back in about 10 minutes. Alright folks, about 25 minutes in. Feeling a little bit more firm. I'm going to check some temps even though I think we got a little bit to go. It's looking good from what I can see. Let's see here. We're getting close. We got a little bit more to go though, guys. 133, 134, 28, 129. Yes, a little bit to go. I'm going to let this go about another 10 minutes, maybe a little bit less than that, and just see where we are. Alright guys, we are 35 minutes in. I'm going to go ahead and give these another flip and check some temps. We're so close. 145. I'm gonna go another 5 or so minutes. 140. Yep, we're so close, but I'm gonna let this go. Next time you see me, we're gonna have these inside. Just a couple more minutes, guys. I'm gonna turn these a little bit, get a little bit more exposure. Check back in just a few minutes on this one. We're close. Alright guys, one last time. I think we're finally there. Definitely, 158, 59, we're there. It's those all clear juices. Calling this to get inside and plate this up and get a taste. Alright guys, let's get this plated up. That beautiful chicken. This is just some broccoli and cheese rice Mama whooped up real quick. Keep it simple. You know us. We do simple. Let's get a bite of this, guys. Get some slices here and just see how good we did. Hold still plate. Dry on the end. Get here towards the middle. Not perfect. I think we did okay. Still some juices, but we'll see how it tastes. There's some juices in there. It's not as juicy as I would have liked to have seen it. I actually got a little bit of a smoker in there. Hey guys, got a little warm out there tonight. Not too bad, but it's a little warm. Good taste of that. Great flavor. That herbaceous hen is delicious. That's borderline dry. I'm not calling it dry, but I tell you, it's a little drier than what I wanted. Still very good, very tasty. But it's another technique, guys, you can use. It's like baking in the oven. You're just baking out there. If I had to make an excuse, I don't like making excuses, but it is a new charcoal to me, so that's what I'm blaming. I'm blaming the charcoal. I'm blaming my inexperience with this new charcoal, so we're gonna go with that. Either way, I'll take the hit. Guys, thank you as always. It was a great cook. It was a lot of fun doing, as always, and just another technique of doing chicken. And I don't believe I brought you this specific cook before, so that's something, I think it's new anyway. So guys, thank you as always. Hit that like button, that's help us out a lot. Subscribe to the channel if you have not already, and be sure to hit that bell notification to let you know every time I post a new video. So guys, until next time, God bless ya. Bye bye.